Hi guys, welcome again to the Plus Toy TV. So today we will look for some toy cars in the plant nursery. Okay, it's a very sunny day today, so keep following me to look at the toy cars in the nursery plant. Okay, come guys. Okay guys, we found another one here. We found one car here. Look at this. Wow, this is a nice car. Look at this. Wow, athletic car, Mitsubishi Sport. Wow, that's nice. Wow, 99. Wow, look at this. Beautiful car. We found under the jackfruit tree. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Wow, guys, we found another one here. Wow, this is the green car, green model car. Wow, look at this. Wow, that's nice. Green model car, like sports car. This is like sports car. Yeah, keep looking some more. Some more cars. Wow, guys. Now I found another one here. Okay. Wow, this is another four-wheel drive car, like sports car. Wow, like sports car. It's nice. Okay, let's keep looking some more cars. Looking some more cars. Okay. Wow, guys. Now we found another one here. Wow, the red car. Red police car. Wow, that's nice. Look at this. Wow, it's gorgeous. Police car. Wow, that's gorgeous. Wow. One here, and looking some more car. Wow, guys. Wow, gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Wow, we found the blue model car here. Wow, it's nice. Blue model car. That's nice. Okay, keep looking some more. Some more car. Wow, guys. Wow. Another one here. Wow, the green model car. Wow, that's nice. Green model car. Wow, looks gorgeous. Keep looking some more cars. Okay, guys, another one here. The yellow car. Wow, the yellow model car. That looks gorgeous. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. Okay, keep looking some more. Some more car. Wow, guys. Now I found another one here. The red model car. Wow, look at this. Beautiful car. Beautiful model car. Wow, that's gorgeous. Alright, guys, let's see what we have here. Wow, this is a very red car. Red model car. Wow, look at this. See the wheel. It's nice. Okay, they had something to put the berry. Wow, nice car. Put all the berry. Wow, beautiful car. Okay, see the green model car. Okay, also something to put the berry here. Okay. This is a remote model car. Wow, that looks gorgeous. Nice car. Nice model car. Another blue car. Wow, nice blue car. Okay, another blue car. This is something to put the berry, the remote car to put the berry. Wow, that looks nice. Beautiful car. Okay, keep looking some more here. This is the green car, green model car. Looks nice. Another blue car. Wow. Athletic car. Wow. Gorgeous. Awesome cars. Okay. See the yellow car. Yellow model car. Wow, that's nice. Like sports car. Sport model car. Okay. This is a red police car. Red police car 911. Red police car. Wow, that's nice. Something for the battery here. Remote control car. Thank you for watching.